Well, crews really are trying to get a handle on that big fire burning in Palo Pinto County west of Fort Worth.
Brandon is here with an update.
Yeah, good morning. They're calling this the Dempsey Fire, and we're told that it started Thursday near the Brazos River. Some people who live in that area had to leave their homes or ranch land. Specifically, some homeowners along FM4, they were encouraged by the sheriff's office to evacuate. Many of them cleared out their livestock and pets. Others watched nervously and waited. Firefighters from across the state are now working with the Texas A&M Forest Service to knock down this fire. The winds shifted, and that caused the blaze to spread and scorch nearly 12,000 acres. And the triple-digit heat didn't help either. Fire crews are using several strategies to help control it.
We did conduct several backburn operations in areas of unburnt fuel. The weather conditions were favorable for that, and so they were able to remove pockets of unburnt vegetation by controlled burning, and so that's going to really go a long ways as far as improving our containment.
The Palo Pinto Volunteer Fire Department is accepting donations. The community is pitching in to drop off clothes and food, lots of water and energy drinks for all those firefighters on the front lines. Right now, the Dempsey Fire is only 27% contained, and that's an improvement from this time yesterday when the Forestry Service said it was only 18% contained. Tim, Lauren?
There's several big ranches there. I know there's an event place that's there, like a ranch that does like weddings and stuff, and they were having to run around and move livestock that was on the property as well, and you could see that smoke for so far away, Evan.